Hi children, already we completed surroundings topic 3 pages, right? Now, today open your page number 8 in your course book, volume 1, our surroundings lesson, course book page number 8. Okay, now we learn about non-living things. Once you open and see your course book page number 8, non-living things. Okay, here few questions are given. We'll see what are these questions. Okay, see I'll read out the questions, listen carefully. First one, what are these things shown in this picture? What are these things shown in these pictures? What are these? Tables. Yes or no? Yes, tables. Do they need food and how often do they drink water? Do they need food? Yes or no? No. Do they eat food? Do they need water? No. They will not eat food and they will not drink any water. Yes. Third one, how long will the smaller table take to grow bigger? How longer time this small table is there? No. This small table, how much time it will take time to grow as this much? Okay, చిన్న టేబుల్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ చిన్న టేబుల్ ఈ పెద్ద టేబుల్ అంతా ఎదగడానికి ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంటుంది? How much time it will take to grow bigger? Okay, next one, how many baby tables can they reproduce? Can this table reproduce another baby tables? No. Are these things living things or non-living things? Are these things living things or non-living things? These are non-living things. Yes or no? Yes. Already we know the table is a non-living thing. So, non-living things. The first answer is the table. And do they need food and how often do they drink water? No, they will not drink water because the non-living things do not need any water, food or air. Yes or no? Yes. Next, how long will the smaller table take to grow bigger? They will not grow because the non-living things will not grow. Yes or no? So they will not grow. How many baby tables can they reproduce? These non-living things cannot reproduce. Next, are these things are living things or non-living things? These are exactly non-living things. Okay. Next one. These are non-living things as they don't need water, food and air. Yes, already we know that non-living things does not need any food, water or air. They can't grow and reproduce also. The non-living things cannot grow and reproduce also. Non-living things can be classified into natural or man-made, natural non-living things. See, for us, in non-living things are divided into two types. Non-living things has two types. One is a man-made and a natural. Non-living things are divided into two types and they are natural things. Natural and man-made. Okay, natural and man-made. These non-living things are divided into two types. They are the natural and man-made. Natural means what and man-made means what? Natural means what and man-made means what? Natural means without any help of the humans, peoples. Okay, ఎవ్వరి సాయం లేకుండా ఏమీ లేకుండా వాటంతటికి అవే ఇన్ అవర్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. ఓకే, ఇన్ అవర్ సరౌండింగ్స్ వాటంతటికి అవే పుట్టేవి, వాటంతటికి అవే ఉండేవి. దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ న్యాచురల్. ఓకే, సో మ్యాన్ మేడ్ మీన్స్ మనుషులు తయారు చేసే వాటిని వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ మ్యాన్ మేడ్. ఓకే, మనుషులు తయారు చేసిన లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ అవుతాయా, నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ అవుతాయా? ఆల్ ది థింగ్స్ దట్ ఆర్ మేడ్ బై మ్యాన్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, సో నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ two types, natural and man-made. Natural and man-made. If you see here, for us, few examples are given for natural non-living things and man-made non-living things. See, if you see here, these first two lines pictures are the natural non-living things. The first picture, rocks. Rocks means rallu. Rocks is a natural non-living things. Yes or no? Natural మనం ఏం తయారు చేస్తామా? No, man cannot prepare these rocks. So they are natural. Soil, matti untadi kada, it is also a natural. Next, water is also a natural. Next, clouds is also a natural. Snow is also a natural. Snow means what? In winter season we will get white one, no? White manchu kurustu untadi kada, so that is called manchu. Snow is called a manchu. So that snow is also called as a non-living thing and it is a natural thing. Sun is a non-living thing. Sun is also a natural non-living thing. Moon is also non-living thing. It is a natural non-living thing. And stars are also a natural non-living things. Okay, these are the few examples of natural non-living things. And next, coming to the man-made living things. Man-made, so many examples we know. What are the man-made things? Yes or no? In our daily life, we are looking so many things now, all that are made by man only. For example, in my hand, chalk is there. Yes or no? This chalk, this is also a man-made. This is also a non-living thing. This is a man-made. See here, bus. First one is a bus. Bus is a man-made. It is not a natural. దానంతరికి అది బస్ తయారు చేసుకోలేదు కదా, దానంతరికి అది రాలేదు కదా. So it is a natural, it is not a man-made non-living thing. Okay. Kite. Kite is also a man-made. Camera. Camera is also a man-made. Chapati. Computer. Book. House. Pot. So all these are man-made non-living things. Okay. Now we had learned about this in page number 8 we had learned about non-living things. Non-living things are two types. They are natural and man-made. Natural and man-made. Natural, few examples had given, and man-made, few examples had given here. Okay. Okay, next page number 9. See the first line, first paragraph. Living and non-living things together make our environment. Living things and non-living things together make our environment. What are living things? All the plants and animals are called living things. And next one, there will be no existence of human beings on this earth. If there is no plants and animals, and if there is no non-living thing, there will be no existence of human beings. ఈ చెట్లు మొక్కలు నెక్స్ట్ యానిమల్స్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఇవేమీ లేకపోతే మనుషులు ఎవరు బ్రతకలేరు అనమాట. వై బికాస్ we all are dependent on all these living things and non-living things. Okay, next one. So we must take care of our surroundings. So we should take care of our surroundings. We should take care of our environment. Why we should take care of our surroundings and environment? Because we are dependent on these living things and non-living things. All the people are dependent on these living things and non-living things. If they are not there, we are also not there. So మనము ఉండాలి అంటే అవి కూడా ఉండాలి. అవి ఉండాలి అంటే లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఉండాలి అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? We has to take care of our surroundings. Okay. So next one, here already few picture had given, and there is a task for you think and discuss. Think and discuss task is there. See what is the first question. The living and non-living things are interdependent. The living and non-living things are interdependent. How? As we blow air into a balloon, it grows bigger. Is it a living or non-living thing? If you see here second picture, the living, as we blow air into a balloon, it grows bigger. Is it a living or non-living thing? Okay. See what is the first question means? The living and non-living things are interdependent. How? Living things and non-living things ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి డిపెండ్ అయి ఉన్నాయంట. How? And the second one, as we blow air into a balloon, it grows bigger. As it is a living thing or non-living thing? మనం ఈ బెలూన్ లోకి if you are blowing, మనం గాలి ఊదుతూ ఉంటే it is growing bigger. Okay. So it is a living thing or non-living thing? Okay, you have to discuss, think and discuss. Already we know what is a living thing, what is a non-living thing, natural things, the differences between these plants and animals, yes or no? So based on this lesson, what you have to do means you have to think and discuss this page. Okay, these questions. Next third picture you see. Look at the leaves on the ground. Look at the leaves on this ground. Are these living or non-living? Are these living or non-living? These are living things. No, these are non-living things. So, who is correct and why? Okay. So, what you have to do means you have to think and discuss with your parents, friends, brothers and sisters. Okay. So, after think and discussing, you have to tell me this one. Okay, children? So, this is your class for today. So, thank you, children.